Okay, so I'm doing 3 South Lakeland open houses today. So I'm at the first one. This one is a beautiful 2-story. It's been totally renovated, absolutely gorgeous. And Crystal will be doing this open house, so make sure you come and see her. But let me just give you a quick tour about this. So first of all, look at the landscaping. Jock just cut the grass. It looks spectacular. That's a lot of grass. Okay. The other thing is the seller just did an inspection for the septic. So the septic is all on this side. And so there is room for a pool back here. Look how big this backyard is. Okay, so that is such a good thing. So let me show you inside real fast. Okay, so we're at the front door. Hold on one second. I just to put the code in. And then Molly's dropping off chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh. So, whew. I thought the lockbox wouldn't go in. Okay, so when you walk in, it's absolutely stunning. Look at this staircase. It smells like a brand new home. This was staged by Moi. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And then these are some cookies. And then look at this. Look at this kitchen, how beautiful this is. So pretty. So pretty. And then we got a little wet bar here. Not a wet bar, sorry. It's a bar area. And then you have powder room here. You have a bedroom here. And then you have a pantry closet here. You have a laundry room. You have a 2-car garage. Okay, so going upstairs, look at this downstairs view. Absolutely gorgeous. And then let's check out the primary bedroom. Look at this. It has its very own balcony. It has the vaulted ceilings with the beam there. Nice windows. Okay, and then we have 2 closets. You got one here, and then you got one here. And then look at this bathroom. How gorgeous is this bathroom? Look at this floating tub, big shower. So this open house is at 1944 Vista View. Today it starts from 1 to 3. That's Saturday, June 20th. I hope you come and see this one. It has just been reduced, and look at that backyard. Room for a pool. Don't forget, you can call or text me anytime, 863-591-4329.